Alright, this time we are going to create a ticket to ship an entire unit to a customer. So we've received the product, we've refurbished the product, it's in what we call ready to ship status. Now you can ship this product back to Amazon or possibly to a customer. This is how you create a ticket to ship a product to a customer. You're going to be in your dashboard. You're going to create a new ticket. Now we like to use some short code here to help us know what this ticket's about, but it also helps us filter and sort or search, so we can have rules in our system to help us find these tickets quickly. So what we call this is a backtrack to customer ticket, right? We're sending a product from backtrack to the customer. So it's we call it a BT2C ticket, and that short code is better than all the words and so forth, but also because it's the exact same thing every time, we can now search that in our system, and so can you. So in this example, we're going to ship the same item that we just received earlier. We call it the Demo 1 XL, and you can see in my screen, we then reference the ticket that we want to ship. Now, some clients are wanting to choose which item to send if we have that same item multiple times. Some clients may just allow us to pick the item that we will ship. So in this case, you are choosing the item we want us to ship, and it's going to be ticket number 9450. You can see that here on the screen. That was the ticket we just received earlier. And so that is the subject line. It's a backtrack to customer ticket. We're shipping product Demo 1 XL 9450. Now in the description field, we need a little more information this time. So in this case, you need to give us the customer's information. And so what I'm doing here is I'm saying send the Demo 1 XL. We're going to enter the customer names, the address, the city, state, and zip code. I'm just using words for example here. The country, and then the phone number. So now you're giving us the exact same information of what we need to ship this order. If we ship a part to a customer, we have more instructions and more steps. But because we're shipping the entire item, it's much clearer to us. We know which item you want us to ship and which ticket you want us to ship it from, and which customer address you want us to ship it to. And so basically this is all the information we need from you. Now you've clicked submit. That's all you have to do. We will receive this ticket in the next day. In the next morning, we will see the BT2C ticket, and we see that you want us to ship this item, this ticket number, this item, Demo 1 XL, and so our staff will then package and ship this item out the door, and then what you will receive is a message with the tracking number with the message with the tracking number right there. And also when they send that to you, it'll send you an email with that tracking number as well. So you'll get notification that this order did ship. And also at that moment, we will then transfer that shipping cost to you on the invoicing and so forth. So other information about that shipment will show up on this ticket for us to know this is the cost of that shipping, and we'll invoice you. So there you have it. That's an easy step. Creating a ticket for shipping a product to a customer. And now you actually see it in our system in the summary as another ticket, 9451. Demo 1 XL, and when we have completed this process, the status of the ticket will actually move, and I'm trying to find the status here, but the status is actually over here in the summary. You'll see it from new to resolved, so that you know that it's also been done. It's actually resolved. It actually pulls off of some of our reports so that we can move to the next ticket. So there you have it.